In this video, we're going to learn how to add suppliers in MYOB. So continuing on our question, we have some supply details here. We have two suppliers, Clothing Inc. and Basic Materials. Clothes Inc. owe us $2,000. Basic Material owe us $1,000. Okay, in MYOB, up the top, we go to Setup, Easy Setup Assistant. Now, as before, see if we hover over sales, it says set up customers. We don't want to set up customers. If we hover over purchases, it says set up suppliers. So we're going to click into there. Now we have all these options again. We go straight to number 2, layout, click on item, and then all these. Next one, we just click through until we get down to supplier details. This is where we add our two suppliers. So we go new. Our suppliers, our first one's Clothes Inc. for 2,000, ABN 113334448888. Okay, business name was Clothes Inc. The second thing we need to add is the ABN. Now, I said the ABN was 113334448888. Now, sometimes this OK button is really hard to see, so you can click up here and drag it up to try to see the OK button, or you can maximize the screen. So if I maximize it, the OK button will come over here. Okay, there's our first one. Now we're going to add a second one. Going to click new. Down here, this one's Basic Materials for 1,000 that we owe 114445559999. I'm going to put the ABN in first before I forget. 114445559999. The account name was Basic Materials. The business name, sorry. Basic Materials, and ABN's in. Now we can OK that. Second part is to add these balances, 2,000 and 1,000. So Clothes Inc. owes us 2,000, Basic Materials 1,000. In MYOB, we're going to go down to Historic Purchases. We're going to go to Add Purchases. So supplier name, let's choose our first one, Basic Materials. Now from our question, Basic Materials owed us $1,000. So leave all this data the same, or don't change anything. Just change this amount to 1,000 GST as a tax code, and then go record. Okay, that. Okay, now we can see over here that we're still out of balance 2,000. So we're going to add purchases. The other business, Clothes Inc., owed us $2,000. So we're going to add that in there. GST, tax, that's all fine. Click record. Okay, that. So you can see now our out of balance amount is 0. So we can go next and close.